Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So today I want to point out to you guys, really not going to get into the programming side of things, but kind of a SolidCAM user group for you guys. Yoast has started up a SolidCAM programmers on Facebook, and a lot of you guys can come in here and post questions, post maybe a project that you're working on or maybe need help on. Yoast does a great job replying back to you guys, and Mark, which is our U.S. training manager, also tries to come in here and reply back to you guys as much as possible. So a lot of great stuff in here, some questions, some live cuts from you guys. So just wanted to let you guys know that there is a SolidCAM programmers group on Facebook for you guys, that you guys can come in here, post questions, post projects that you're working on, maybe need help on something, and this is worldwide for you guys. So just wanted to let you guys know about this and kind of show you, where you can go to get also additional help as well. So just want to show you that for the KevCAM tip of the day today, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.